The drill is a must-have tool. It's also a very versatile tool that can do a lot of different jobs, everything from drilling and driving to sanding and buffing. The drill itself is easy to manage and operate. Your cordless drill comes with a battery and a charger, and it's a good idea to have a spare battery plugged into your charger so that you're always ready to go. Your drill is also going to have forward and reverse. And in addition to the variable speed of the trigger, you'll also have a high and low setting. Higher speeds for drilling, lower speeds for driving. And remember, lower speeds means more power. Most of your drills are also going to have what's called a clutch. This is going to give you even more control and help you prevent overdriving. The chuck of the drill is what holds your bits in place, and most of your drills have a 3/8 inch chuck size, so you always want to be sure that you're picking up bits that have the shank size to fit your drill. And you can use both the hex style and the round bits. If you set yourself up with a kit like this, you'll have pretty much everything you need to do most jobs around the house. There's also a great selection of specialty bits that allow you to perform a variety of tasks in different materials. To install your bits in your drill, put your drill in forward, grip onto your chuck, and instead of putting your bit all the way in, pull it out about 1/8 of an inch tight. That's going to give you the best grab on your bit. Whenever you need to drill holes that are a specific depth, you can easily create a depth flag by wrapping your bit with painter's tape. And whether you're drilling or driving, the same basic rules apply. You always want to use the appropriate safety gear, and it's always a good idea to clamp down whatever you're working on to keep things from shifting. To keep your bits from wandering or breaking, you always want to hold your drill perpendicular to your work surface. You want to keep things nice and straight. Then you're going to apply even, steady pressure, and you want to start slowly and then increase your speed. It's all about letting the drill do the work. With these drill basics under your belt, you'll be able to do all sorts of repairs and DIY projects.